How to make the best paper airplane in the world. Number 2. Okay. First, you fold this half to the corner. So it looks like a triangle. Open it and do the same for the other side. Make sure the folds are good. Then you open it, and then you see this giant X thingy in the middle. You push down on the X, lift up the two sides, so it looks like that, and then push down on the top. So then it looks like a triangle, and if you put it like that, it looks like this. Then you lift this corner up. Not the whole thing, though. So you just lift the first layer over to the top. Same with the other side. Now it looks like this. Then you fold it in half. And then then you fold down the wings. Make them really big wings. Okay. And that's how you make the second best paper airplane in the world.